Hello from ATX West 2019. We're at the Arthur G. Russell booth with Bill Miss, and Bill is going to tell us about a new logo as well as a new website. So Bill, tell us all about it.
Hi, good afternoon. It's Bill Miss, Vice President of Sales for the Arthur G. Russell Company. And Tuesday morning we launched our new website, totally redone. The website's twofold. One of the purposes, of course, is to attract new customers and let them know the technology that we offer to our customers, as well as to attract new talent. We are growing. We've been growing for every year now for the last 10 years that I've been there, and we've pretty much doubled in size, but we're looking for new people. So that is one purpose of the website, and of course, show our capabilities. We have a new logo. The new logo is just the Arthur G. Russell Company. Before we had Arthur G. Russell AGR Bodine. Bodine is still an integral part of our business, but at the end of the day, we are the Arthur G. Russell Company. We're showing that we are a technology company and we're a worldwide company. We have machines installed from North America to Australia. So just about every corner of the globe, you can find a machine that's built and supported by Arthur G. Russell. So those are the two new things for the show for this year at MD&M West 2019.
May I ask you, what are some of the new positions that you're listing on your website?
We're looking for mechanical engineers, we're looking for controls engineers, we're looking for technicians. We have a good internship program for both mechanical and electrical, and actually this mechatronics is a big thing now, so we're trying to have people that are talented in both ends, both mechanical and the electrical end. And we're also starting a mentoring program so that we could pass on the knowledge of the long-term employees to the newer, younger people and just new people in general that are starting with the company. So that's a big thing for us for 2019.
Oh, it's great. It's a great long-term plan.
Yes, it is. We value our people, and we definitely try to show that each and every day.
And what is that website for our viewers?
ArthurGRussell.com.
Thank you, and thanks for watching.